There is a story which I've heard that a Shetland pony was transported on a Trailander from Southampton to Alderney in the 1970s. All manner of amazing things have been transported. I mean, there was a time when X-ray plates, flowers, all sorts of fresh food would come on, and yeah, the occasional dog and apparently the occasional pony.
A Trailander always used to be put in the hangar last thing at night, so it was kept under cover, and then you could pull it out for either an air med or the first flight the next day. And somebody was in rather a rush to get home that night, I think, and forgot to put the bar under the tail for support, and there was quite a bit of freight in. All of a sudden they come running over to us and said, "Can you give me a hand?" And the plane was actually sticking up in the air because it had gone down on its hat. Luckily no damage at all, but it was, you can just picture this man hanging onto the tail to try and I won't say his name to protect him.
There was a chap I worked for, and he was flying back to England, and they were still on the runway, so they hadn't actually taken off. But this parrot escaped from the cage and was then loose in the cabin, and then somebody took this hilarious photo of him with this parrot on his shoulder, and you thought, nowhere else could that happen.
Whenever the football club was having a football game in Guernsey and they won, we'd come back at a normal altitude. If they lost, we wouldn't.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.